Good morning, students. Today we have a video on the topic poster writing. Student, as you know, that poster writing comes under the short composition category. And so posters are supposed to be short, mainly of the limit of 50 words. So, student, first of all, we will see its marking pattern, marking scheme. Poster comes of 4 marks. And out of these 4 marks, marks bifurcations are like this. 1 mark is for format. In format, title is there and the name of issuing authority is there. And in content, the proper headings and subtitles and captions and slogans, all these things come in content. All this matter is of 2 marks. And 1 mark is for expression, means spelling mistakes are there or any grammatical mistakes. So all the total of all these things is 4 marks. So now we are going to see, first of all we are going to discuss what exactly a poster is. So student, posters are actually notices or poster and notices, advertisement and invitations all in one, you can say. A poster is a very useful means to create awareness about current social problems and issues. Posters are also very useful to make announcement or appeal to the public. The colorful, attractive and appealing posters enchant the readers only. So now the next question arises: what is the purpose of writing a poster? What is the goal of of a poster? So the purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems and needs, or to advertise, or even to extend public invitations and write notices only. Student, a good poster must attract the attention of the passersby, right? So these things should be there in a poster. Poster must be drafted or designed, students, with utmost care. Remember the following points while writing poster. Number one, attractive design of the poster should be attractive. Slogans which you use in poster should be catchy and easily readable, and the font should be bigger, and the presentation of the poster should be quite appealing, eye catching, and the letters which you use in poster should be of different size and shape, bold and capital letters, and must be clear so that it can be read from a distance also. Some uh, unnecessary details should be avoided only. We have to use some slogans, rhyming, creative titles. And as far as drawing is concerned, either you can sketch some figures or simple drawings only can be there. Proper spacing should be there. And very vital point, date, time, and venue for events must be there. And when you are finishing, these two vital points must be a part of your poster, otherwise, your marks will be deducted. First is name of the issued by, at the last, this issued by organization or the agency should be there, and your poster should be enclosed in a box, right? Let us study some examples, students. Like this example is there before us. This is a poster on pollution. So let us see its format. For in format, what if they are heading, taglines, slogans, figures, issuing authorities? So in heading, what do we write? Means the topic of the question is heading. So what is the topic related to pollution? Pollution, a threat to mankind, is heading only. Second is student taglines. So taglines means subtitles or captions or detailing. All these things come under tagline. Like here, tagline is global warming or deforestation. All these things are what taglines. we have to use some slogans also, like come together, cure together, go green, go clean, must be an integral part of a slogan. Figures, we can draw some simple figures, and at the last, some issuing authority is there. Student, if any issuing authority is not given in the question, then we can write down issued in public interest also. Second example is about designing a poster for your school library on the value of books and good reading habit. You may use some slogans also if the question. So here what was the first point? Heading. So what is the heading? Related to books. Books are best friend. What is second here? Taglines. Taglines are these points. Books inform means whatever we know about the books, whatever the benefits we know from the reading of the book, they are our taglines only. Books inform, instruct, delight, enrich, right? These are the. And what if the next point? Next point was slogan. So as you can see here, slogans have been used here, like take a book a day, don't delay, read best, speak best, think best, make reading a regular habit, right? All this content should be there. And some figures. Here figure we can see, here figure is that book has been made here. So simple sketch of book is here, right? And at the last, what? Issuing authority we can write down, issued in public interest. So making poster is very easy, students, right? So this is how a poster is made. I hope you must have understood it. Thank you. Have a nice day.